Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's go ahead and check out the Angry Orange Stain Sniper. You better believe, messes can't hide. Hi guys, so this is the Angry Orange blacklight that helps you find your pet's bio stains, I guess you could say. And then it also comes with this little handy clip so you can attach it to the top of your spray bottle. So let's go ahead and check it out. So right now, obviously you do need the darkness for it to work, and then here we go. So I have the black light, and look at that, like it looked super clean and I thought it was, but clearly I was wrong. And then we have some residual markings here from my dog. So what is super helpful with this black light is I really did not know it was there. So I can go ahead now and then keep that black light spray right there, and then I can use the odor eliminator and just go ahead and go straight over it and right in the right spots as well. So we can just get it right on there, and there we go, and that will help get the scent out. So I think it's a super awesome little tool. Yeah, so this tiny little thing makes such a huge difference. I think it's a great little investment. The only downside is obviously now I know just what filth I'm living in, so it is a plus and a minus at the same time, but I love it, and I'm going to continue to use it and make sure my house is as clean as can be, not only from dog scents, but any other bits and pieces that I find laying around as well. So I love it. It's super sleek, and it's very heavy duty as well. So I think it's a great little purchase. So that is the Angry Orange blacklight. I think it's a great investment, and that is my point of view.